Hello everyone, I am an Iranian teacher. Today's and recently I decided to teach with English language to share my experiences in last days in teaching with another peoples, another friends and or another students in the world. Please excuse me, I recently began this course and I will try do this very good, and I have practiced every day. I listen and not to English videos, and I practice at home, and I am trying to be better in future, and I know I will do this in future very good. Please encourage me and subscribe my video and encourage me. Thank you, my friend. In the first, I began from carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, carbonate, and oxalate. In this lesson, I will draw Lewis dot structures for this compound. In first step, I know the carbon atomic number is 6 and oxygen atomic number is 8. If we draw electron configuration for carbon and oxygen, the carbon electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p2. We have 4 valence electron, okay? And around the carbon, right, left, top, and bottom, we have only 4 lone electrons. In the result, we can see the carbon can have 4 covalent bonds with another atoms. Oxygen atomic number is 8, electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2p4, excuse me. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 electron around the oxygen we have. In drawing for atoms or elements, Lewis dot diagrams begin from 1 1. After 1 in 4 side, we begin to set them to pair. Okay, the oxygen have 2 lone electron and 2 pairs electron. Okay, CO or carbon monoxide, VE is equal, we have 1 atom of carbon, 4 multiply 1 plus 6 multiply 1 equal 10. We can draw Lewis dot structure for carbon monoxide only with 10 electrons. No more, no less. This is the importance. Pay attention for this. If we divide 10, 2 is equal 5. The carbon is a central atom and oxygen is side atom. We know in minimum state we have 1 bonded electron between 2 atoms, okay? It can be converted to double bond or triple bond. In first, we draw only single bond between 2 atoms. Okay, we know this is 2 electron, 5 minus 1, 1 pair, one pair is equal 4. Remaining electrons are 4 pairs. We divide them between the atoms. First, we begin from the side atoms. 3 pairs for oxygen. Why 3 pairs? We know why our intent from Lewis dot structure drawing is showing octet state for atoms. They will be similar a noble gas, okay? And one pair remaining is for carbon. We have a problem here. I change color. Why? The carbon is angry, excuse me. But oxygen is glad, is happy. Why? The oxygen is octet, but carbon no octet. Okay? Oxygen says to carbon, don't be worried. We are a neighbor. I will help you. The carbon says, can you do this? Oxygen says, I will do. Don't be worried. I kill in here. The oxygen, 2 pairs of lone pairs convert to bonded pair. After this, we have triple covalent bond between oxygen and carbon in carbon monoxide. This structure is correct. Why is correct? Because carbon is octet and oxygen is octet. After carbon monoxide, we draw carbon dioxide. Lewis dot structure. Valence electrons in carbon dioxide is, we have one atom of carbon, 1 multiply 4 plus we have 2 atoms oxygen, 6 multiply 2 is equal 16. Divided 2, we have 8 pairs. We must draw Lewis structure for carbon dioxide only with 8 pairs, no less, no more. Start here. Carbon is central atom. We set 2 atoms of oxygen in left and right of carbon. We know we have in minimum state 1 covalent bond between 2 atoms. 8 minus 2 is equal 6. Remaining electrons will be 6. 6 pairs. Divide them between side atoms, no central atom. Okay? Here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 8. But the structure not correct. Why no correct? Because here similar last structure, carbon is angry but oxygens are glad. Why? Oxygen octet, carbon no octet. 2 oxygens say to carbon, don't be worried. Again, we will help you. The carbon says, what do you do? One lone pair shared between oxygens from this oxygen and another oxygen to oxygen into sides do this. The carbon monoxide final structures is this. This structure is correct. Why is correct? The oxygen is octet, carbon is octet, and another oxygen is octet. They are together glad. Okay? The third problem is drawing Lewis dot structure for carbonate. We have here a ion, the ion with negative charge, the ion, an ion with negative charge, an ion with negative charge. Valence electron in carbonate is equal. We have one carbon 3O and plus 2. If when we have negative charge, we add two valence sum. When we have positive charge, we subtract this. Okay? Valence electron is 4 multiply 1 plus 6 multiply 3 plus 2. Valence electrons is equal 24 or 24 divided 2 is equal 12. We must draw correct structures, Lewis dot structures for carbonate only with 12 pairs of electrons. No more, no less. The carbon is central atoms. We draw around the carbon 3 atoms of oxygen. We know in less state we have a single bond, covalent bond between carbon and oxygen. 12 minus 3 is equal 9. We have 9 pairs, lone pair electrons. Divided them between side atoms, oxygens, 1, 2, 3, 4 pair, 6 pair, 7 pair, 8 pair, and 9 pair. In this state, again the carbon is angry. Why angry? Why? Carbon, no octet, please excuse me, but oxygens, octet. Here, one of the oxygens, no difference. This oxygen or this oxygen or this oxygen can do this and share one of the lone pairs between oxygen and carbon, and the problem is solved. Okay? excuse me, we set the carbonate in a bracket and to minus top of it. This structure is correct. And final structures, oxalate structures, I kill in here. Please listen to me, excuse me. I will be better in future. I will teach very good. I never quit my attitude. Please help me. Okay? C2O4 2 minus. Valence electron is equal 4 multiply 2 plus 6 multiply 4 plus 2 is equal 8 plus 24 plus 2 is equal 34 divided 2 is equal 17. 17 pairs, bonded or lone pairs, we have in C2O42 minus. We have here two atoms of carbon. We have two central atoms, between them single bond, and we have 4 atoms of oxygen, but central atoms are similar, no similar, are equal. We divide 4O between 2 atoms. 2 for this and another 2 for that. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 17 minus 5 is equal 12. Okay? Is equal 12. We have remaining electrons, lone pairs are 12. We divide 12 between oxygens. Okay? I kill in here. Change color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is 17, but the structures no correct. Why no correct? Because the oxygens are octet, but carbons no octet. Again, carbon is angry. Okay? The oxygens again helps their neighbor, Mr. Carbon. I kill in here. I kill in the digits, numbers. You understand easily and good. Thank you. This carbon only needs one pair. This oxygen or this. No difference between them. One of them do this and convert lone pair to bonded pair. Okay? and do this another oxygen in right side. The structure is correct with 17 pairs of electrons. The carbons are octet. The oxygens are octet. No problem. This is a correct structure for oxalate ions. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my video and help me and encourage me. Thank you. I will be better in future. Thank you, my friend.